Welcome to Why Speak On. Have you heard about burning a cat, drilling holes in the head? Well, these are common practices that was followed in history. Wondering about this? In this video, we'll be seeing 5 different kind of weird practices that was followed in history. The first in the list is called scapegoat. Have you heard about the term scapegoat? It has become in regular usage that when you feel someone is blamed for others' mistake. But do you know its origin? The term scapegoat comes from an old Jewish ritual where a town would place all the sins of the townspeople onto a goat and then banish the goat from the town to die, sending the burden of their sins with it. Second in the list is cat burning. In medieval times, cat burning was an accepted practice thought to bring good luck. It was custom to burn a barrel full of live cats over a bonfire as people shrieked with laughter while they were singed and roasted. French kings often witnessed it and even ceremoniously started the fire. The third in the list is you pay for your own killing. Yes, you heard me right. We might have seen in movies that if one was to kill the other person, they would make a devilish plan and hire somebody to do it. But what if you make a plan where you wanted yourself to be killed? In 18th century Denmark, people were afraid to take their own lives because they believed it would send them to hell. Instead, they resorted to killing other people to receive the death penalty and repented before execution, believing that doing so would send them to heaven. The fourth one is the hole in the head. What if I say approximately 7,000 years ago, humans used to drill holes in their heads to allow spirits to flow in and out of the body? This practice is called trepantation. Also, trepantation was thought to be the treatment for various ailments such as head injuries. And the last in the list is Spartan boys to steal. What would you do when you find a small kid stealing? Will you advise him to change or punish him for stealing? Or would you encourage him or force him to do so? Sounds weird. Ancient Spartan schools deliberately forced boys to steal food but punished severely anyone who was caught. Wonder why they did that? This was actually thought to toughen them up, especially since it is accustomed them to hunger, which was common on the battlefield. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give a likes, comments, and dislikes, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you.